What is the General Packet Radio Service? The General Packet Radio Service, according to Wikipedia, is also called 2.5G, is a packet-oriented mobile data standard on the 2G cellular communication network's global system for mobile communications, GSM. GPRS was established by European Telecommunications Standards Institute, ETSI, in response to the earlier CDPD and I-mode packet switch cellular technologies. It is now maintained by the third generation partnership project 3GPP. GPRS is typically sold according to the total volume of data transferred during the billing cycle, in contrast with circuit switch data, which is usually billed per minute of connection time or sometimes by 1/3 minute increments. Usage above the GPRS bundled data cap may be changed per megabit of data speed limited or disallowed. GPRS is a best effort service implying variable throughput and latency that depend on the number of other users sharing the service concurrently, as opposed to circuit switching, where a certain quality of service QoS is guaranteed during the connection. In 2G system, GPRS provides data rates at 56 to 114 kilobits per second. 2G cellular technology combined with GPRS is sometimes described as 2.5G. That is a technology between the second 2G and third 3G generations of mobile telephony. It provides moderate speed data transfer by unused time division multiple access TDMA channels in. For example, the GSM system GPRS is integrated into GSM Release 97 and newer releases. Mobile devices with GPRS started to roll out around the year 2001. Technical overview. The GPRS core networks allows 2G, 3G, WCDMA mobile networks to transmit IP packets to external networks such as the internet. The GPRS system is integrated part of the GSM network switching subsystem. Keep listening. GPRS extends the GSM packet circuit switched data capabilities and makes the following services possible: SMS messaging and broadcasting, always on internet access, multimedia messaging services, MMS, push to talk over cellular, POC, instant messaging and presence wireless village, internet applications for smart devices through wireless application protocol, WAP, point-to-point P2P service internetworking with the internet IP, point-to-multipoint P2M service, point-to-multipoint multicast, and point-to-multipoint group calls. If SMS over GPRS is used, an SMS transmission speed of around 30 SMS messages per minute may be achieved. This is much faster than using the ordinary SMS over GSM, whose SMS transmission speed is about 6 to 10 SMS messages per minute. Frequencies. I could read on, but you could read this yourself. So this is called General Packet Radio Service. I'll leave you with a fun fact. Let's pick. We'll look for something. We'll pick usability. Shall we? We'll pick history. GPRS opened in 2000 as a packet switch data service and embedded in the channel switched cellular radio network GSM. GPRS extends the reach of the fixed internet by connecting mobile terminals worldwide. The CellPAC protocol, developed in 1991 to 1993, was the trigger point for starting in 1993 the speculation of standard GPRS by ETSI SMG, especially the CellPAC voice and data functions introduced in a 1993 ETSI workshop contribution. Anticipation was later known to be the roots of GPRS. The workshop contribution is referenced in 22 GPRS-related U.S. patents. Successor systems to GSM GPRS like WCDMA, UMTS, and LTE rely on key GPRS functions for mobile mobile internet access as introduced by CELPAC. According to the study on history of GPRS development, Bernhard Wiki and the student Peter Decker are the inventors of GPRS, the first system providing worldwide mobile internet access. Crazy world we live in. What a wild, wild world. And I'll tell you what else is there. See also code division, multiple access DMA, GPRS core network, high-speed packet access, HSDPA, IP multimedia subsystem, list of interface bit rates, subnetwork dependent convergence protocol, SNDCP, and UMTS. So there you go. The more you know.